This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the iPhone to the laptop with the original cable. This ensures a stable data link and avoids transfer errors. Once connected, unlock your phone so the laptop can see the photos. Make sure you tap Trust this computer on the iPhone and enter your passcode if asked. If using Windows, open File Explorer. On Mac OS, open Photos or Image Capture. These first steps establish the secure channel needed to transfer live photos intact. Next, import in a way that preserves the live photo pair. On Mac OS, choose Photos Import and select Keep Originals, or use Image Capture to drag both files. On Windows, open the DSIM folder and copy both the JPG and the matching MOV for each live photo because the JPG is the still and the MOV is the motion file. Make sure file names remain paired so software can recognize them as one live photo, if needed. Sort by date to match pairs quickly. Finally, confirm the live photos play on your laptop. Open the MOV alongside its JPG to verify motion and still are together. Once done, you can delete originals from the phone if you have backups. If you find only JPG files copied, make sure iPhone settings photos isn't uploading only optimized versions to iCloud. Toggle download and keep originals and retry. If transfers stall, restart both devices and swap USB ports or cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.